Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can fix we notice unusual activity in Google account. So if you're seeing this message on your phone and this pop-up, so I'm just gonna show you the 3 fixes on how you can fix it. So the fix number 1 is right over here. As you can see, first open Google app and go to manage your Google account, tap security, and then tap review security events and see any sign in option and whatever. Just type in no it wasn't me or any unknown sign. So if it wasn't you and you can just see it, just simply press a no it wasn't me. Now the change number 2 is find a new password and change your password. You can just go to myaccount.google.com and tap security, then password, and set a brand new password, and this automatically signs out every other device. So if you got someone, they're gone. And then fix number 3 is turning on two-step extra verification. Last one, still in security settings, tap 2-step verification and turn it on. Use the Google Authenticator app for best protection. Now even if someone has your password, they still can't get in, and they still need the verification or authenticator app for your phone. So without that, they cannot log in. That's it. 3 steps, problem solved. Like and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye and peace out.